super bored riding chainless. Decided to do a little bike check before Christmas. Before I get all my new parts. So my bike's shit right now. Alright. Fly Reuben grips. They've been really good. I mean, they still got some life left. Oh, look, there's Jonah. Who the fuck is he with? What the fuck? Huh. I'm gonna continue this later. Alright, I'm gonna continue that bike check. Traded some parts, actually, so got new parts put on there. I got Colt Vans grips now. Some Kink Links bars, 825 Rise. S&M XLT stem. What's funny about these bars is I bought them, like, I don't know, a long time ago, and now I have them back. It's pretty sweet. Snap my compression bolt. It's kind of gay. Don't ask me how I did that, because I don't know.
What's up, man?
Anyway.
Oh, man. Yeah, that's driving me nuts, dude. I can't remember dude's name.
Whose name?
Oh, that guy we're looking for over there.
Oh. Alright. Continue now. Yeah, snap my compression bolt. Don't know how the fuck I did that. Just some salt forks. For these forks, they'll take a beating. I'll tell you that. These forks are fucking... These are nice. I got a Duo Momentum 2.35. It's fucking massive. It barely fits. I had to move my wheel to the bottom of my dropouts just so it'll fit. I got Profile Mini SS in red laced to the G spot. Hard anal blue with the white Primo spokes. I'm lacing a Deviant to it though in black and putting a Fit FAF and white wall on it. Got that Granddaddy Cardinal frame again. So happy to have that back. I bought it a long time ago. Shit Sputnik headset. I guess it's been alright. I was gonna say don't buy it, but I've had this headset for like a year. It's done alright. I got a United bottom bracket. I got Profile GDH cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Now I have premium Narstar, I think it is. I don't know, some premium chainwheel. I didn't care. I just had this Sunday and I didn't like it that much. Ooh, I got a text. Hold on. Close. Got the Shadow Puma. It was in that cool red shit, but I ripped all that off, so it's just plain black. Animal Wedge. And then this isn't my back wheel, it's just my friend's. It's the Odyssey V3, laced with some Alex rim or some shit. Do not buy this back wheel. That hub blew out. Like, this hub's like 2 months old, and after 2 days of me riding it, it blew up. Like I said, just ride hard. Shit. Odyssey Path is pretty much bald. I have a new back wheel coming. The Madeira V2 laced to an Alienation runaway frame with white shadow spokes. Another Fit FAF white wall. 2.25 in the front, 2.3 in the back. Because the 2.3 is smaller. I got more Odyssey Twisteds coming. They're good pedals. Got more Colt Vans coming. Didn't plan on getting those, so whatever. New Primo headset in white. It's gonna be pretty tight, I guess. All black with white walls and white spokes. But yeah, that was my bike. I'll give you a little sound check of this shit hub. I'm chainless right now, so give me a sec. Yeah, it's quiet. It's crap, but it's a wheel to roll. I didn't have a wheel, so yeah, that was my bike.